Welcome, marketing chefs. I've got something truly special cooking in the Omni-Channel oven today. What are the benefits of social media advertising? Up next in the Marketing Kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen, the Marketing Kitchen. Hi, I'm Ron Vining, your host of MarketingKitchenTV. All right, here's an interesting question. Do you think the benefits of social media advertising has helped the growth of small businesses in the United States, or is the benefit overwhelmingly going towards large corporations that are already generally known to the public? Thank you for your question. If you'd like me to answer a question here on Marketing Kitchen TV, all you need to do is go to the @MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter, use the hashtag Q&A, and I will answer your questions here. Do you think the benefits of social media advertising has helped the growth of small businesses in the United States? And I would say the answer is absolutely yes. Social media advertising enables one to scale, which they were not able to do before. For a local brand, so a smaller brand, to be able to scale with a large international or global brand would have been impossible before social media advertising. You're able to target a specific customer in a specific market. I mean, you can target all the way down to a specific street or a neighborhood or a city or a town, again, based on preferences and all of the different criteria that you can do when doing social advertising. Before, what would happen is a large corporation would just do a blanket spend, which a small business could never do, couldn't keep up with that. But a small business can do the targeting, hyper-targeting, like I just mentioned. The second aspect of the question states, or is the benefit overwhelmingly going towards large corporations that are already generally known to the public? Okay, let's give the other side of the argument here as well. Now, the big corporation who is already well known, whose products are already have a legacy in the marketplace, hopefully a positive one, they are also able to take advantage of the same social advertising platform that the small business is, but they have more money. They can do the targeting as well, and they can do a lot larger spend than you. The answer is it's catch-22. So yes, social media advertising has certainly helped the small business. Do understand that the large business, if they are not investing as much money in traditional, and they're not as they used to, then they are doing the same type of hyper-targeting that you are. What you need to do is be different. You need to have unique, value-added, differentiated content. You need to find a way to cut across, sort of break through, and change perception by crazy story, video, slogan, a mascot, a logo, color, influencer, sponsor, you name it. But you need to do something different to cut across the noise or the volume of noise that the larger player is doing. Because you're coming in at this point and they're up here, you have to do something very special to end up at their same level while spending less money doing it. I hope that answers your question. I'd love a follow-up for that one at eNetwork Marketing on Twitter, hashtag Q&A. Thank you. If you'd like me to answer a question here on Marketing Kitchen TV, all you need to do is go to the @MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter, use the hashtag Q&A, and I will answer your questions here. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember, there's always fresh content simmering on our Storytelling Stovetop. So whatever happens in this kitchen shouldn't stay in this Marketing Kitchen. I'm Ron Vining, your host, reminding you to invite your family and friends to the next episode of Marketing Kitchen TV.